the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. This is our science subject and we are doing chapter number 1, characteristics and life process of organisms. We are doing the topic parts of plants and their functions. In our previous lesson, we have discussed two parts of plants, root and stem. And in our today's lesson, we will do two parts of plants, leaves and flowers. Let's start our today's lesson. Topic is leaves on page number 14. There is an activity number 1.10. Take a leaf, draw its sketch. What is the shape of the leaf? Collect a few leaves of various types, keep them between newspaper and put heavy objects such as a book over them. After 3 days, take them out, paste these on the scrapbook, identify and write the name of the parts of leaf. Dear students, this is an activity and you will do this activity by yourself. Take a leaf and draw its sketch on your notebook. And also write what is the shape of the leaf. Next there is another activity. आप कुछ टाइप्स के लीव्स को कलेक्ट करें और उन्हें किसी न्यूज़पेपर के सेंटर में रख दें और इस न्यूज़पेपर के ऊपर कोई भी हैवी ऑब्जेक्ट, फॉर एग्जांपल उनके ऊपर बुक्स रख दें। 3 दिन के बाद आप उन लीव्स को न्यूज़पेपर से निकालें और इन्हें अपनी नोटबुक में पेस्ट कर दें। एंड आइडेंटिफाई एंड राइट द नेम्स ऑफ द पार्ट्स ऑफ लीव। उन लीव्स के आप डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को लेबल कर दें। This is the structure of a leaf and a leaf has different parts. This one is the tip of the leaf. Next part is midrib. What is midrib? Midrib is the prominent line in the middle of a leaf that travels the length of the leaf and branches to each side to produce veins of vascular tissue. This line is midrib. Next part of the leaf is vein. What is vein? Vein are the thin lines branching from the midrib of a leaf. These are veins and these branch from midrib. Next part of the leaf is lamina. What is lamina? Lamina is the broad green part of a leaf. This broad green part is lamina and lamina is also called blade. Next part of the leaf is margin. What is margin? The edge of the leaf is called margin. And next one, petiole. What is petiole? Petiole is the stalk which attaches the leaf plate to the stem. Now come to our next page, page number 15. When you look at a plant, what is the first thing you notice? The first thing you usually notice in a plant is its leaves. Leaves are of different sizes and shapes. Usually, the leaves are green. The important function of leaves is to make food for the plant. When we look at a plant, the first thing we usually notice in a plant is its leaves. Leaves are of different sizes and shapes. In this picture, you can see the different shapes of leaves. Leaves grow on the stem and they are usually green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll, which helps them to prepare food. The important function of leaves is to make food for the plant. Next part of the plant is flowers. The flowering plants have beautiful flowers. Different plants have flowers of different sizes and colors. Fruits and seeds are formed from the flowers. Did you ever wonder about the purpose of these colorful flowers? What are flowers? Flowers are the reproductive parts of the plant. They come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. In this picture, you can see different colors of flowers. By the process of pollination, many flowers develop into delicious fruits which are eaten by us. Fruits and seeds are formed from the flowers. Next, what is the purpose of these colorful flowers? Flowers that are bright in color are meant to attract birds, bees, and other insects in order to help in reproduction. The primary purpose of colorful plant is reproduction. During the reproductive process, flowers make use of their colorful petals to attract pollinators such as insects and animals. Thank you so much, dear students. Take care and Allah Hafiz.